Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru WRX STI Limited. So this is the top of the line of the STI, except for of course the special editions that are new for 2020, like the SA and stuff like that. Really nice interior. Recaro front seats. Back seat space, really good. The basic window sticker. Total price comes to $43,415. The center armrest extension in black. The rear bumper applique, short throw shifter, and the wheel locks. Those are really the only options this one has, so it's not too bad at all. I want to see if I can find that. Oh yeah, it's on there. It's just dirty because of the pollen. All right. Really nice red seat belts. Here's your Recaro seats, STI. Let's go for a drive. So as stated in the WRX video, this is not the same motor that's in the normal WRX. This is the old block that was in the previous generation. With unequal length headers, which gives you that boxer sound. And boy, what a sound it is. Really fun car to drive. I literally put the WRX away and grabbed this, so it's a perfect comparison between the two. This is worlds different, and that I was not expecting. I was expecting it to be similar, but not nearly as different. Well, I expected it to be different, but not nearly as different as this. The way power's delivered, the way it makes power up top, everything is very different in the STI. If you're in the market for either, I highly suggest you test drive both, because they're very different cars, and that I really didn't expect. Ride's not bad. Definitely firmer suspension over the WRX, but I'm also in Sport Plus mode. Really good. Whereas the WRX comes on boost about 2,500, this comes on boost about 3,500. So everything in the STI is a little bit more spicy? Is that kind of the way? Kind of what I'm getting at? It's just a little bit better. And I'm glad I'm comparing limited to limited, because the STI is only like $8,000 more. For what you're getting, that's $8,000 well spent. And to be completely honest, if I was looking at, I wouldn't even look at a WRX Limited at that point. I'd be looking at a base STI. They're both phenomenal cars, but this is special. Maybe I'll film a video when I come back down here comparing these two, the WRX and the STI, kind of highlighting which one is better at what. But this is phenomenal. I have driven an STI before, 2018 version. 2018, they did get pretty good refresh, including a facelifted front fascia, as well as Brembo brakes. And the 2020s, of course, maintain that. Just so much fun to drive. Oh my goodness. Steering feel is absolutely phenomenal. The clutch is even different from the WRX. I could definitely hear the wastegate a bit more on this one too. Unlike the WRX, the STI is only available in this 6-speed manual. That's the way I have it anyway. The WRX, if you so desire, you can get in a CVT transmission. We do have a couple of those in inventory that I was contemplating taking a look at, but I decided to go with a manual to kind of look at both versions pretty pretty similarly. Brakes are phenomenal. But man, is this a good car. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.